every morning brings this heavy, anxious weight right to your chest. You watch others achieve true freedom, while you remain stuck in a frustrating cycle of maximum effort for minimal gains. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to break that cycle for good.
So are you trapped by your own success? That suffocating feeling you have? It's not just in your head. It's a harsh reality for millions of high earners waiting for genuine change. You work tirelessly. You earn more money. And yet you feel completely paralyzed by the fear of losing what you've actually built.
Think about this quote for a second. The real problem isn't a lack of effort, it's the mindset restricting your movement. You've been programmed to stay safe. You are terrified of losing your hard-earned cash, and ironically, this very fear is exactly what keeps you boxed in.
Let's look at the roadmap for today. We're covering the illusion of success and reframing your wealth. Then we'll explore buying back your time and upgrading your biological engine. Finally, we'll dive into expanding your cognitive assets and finding your ultimate return on investment.
Number 1. The illusion of success. When the money finally starts flowing, most people fall into a trap. They default to conspicuous consumption. They buy flashy cars, they pick up expensive watches way too prematurely. Basically, they destroy their wealth in its absolute infancy just to look wealthy. But doing this makes you a slave to appearances, rather than the master of your financial destiny.
Number 2. Reframing your wealth.
A scarcity mindset craves useless status symbols. A true wealth mindset uses money strategically. Money, in the hands of the wise, is simply a tool to reduce daily friction. It buys you time, it improves your health, and it sparks continuous innovation. Every single penny you spend must yield double its value in sheer raw productivity.
Step 1 requires a rock-solid foundation. You absolutely must build emergency savings and invest in low-risk index funds first. Only then do you move to Step 2. That's when you strategically invest in higher-risk assets like individual stocks, art, or even fine wine. True lifestyle upgrades only happen after that low-risk foundation is firmly secured.
Number 3. Buy back your time.
You must immediately stop performing routine, energy-draining tasks. Seriously, if you can outsource a task for less than your hourly rate, do it today. Hire help for household management. Delegate your schedule and all those annoying minor details. Your time is far, far too valuable for menial chores.
Time reclamation is our core principle here. It simply means ruthlessly guarding your hours against low-value work. Every single second wasted on a menial task is a direct crime against your financial future. You must buy back every second possible to ensure complete dedication to your strategic growth.
Number 4. Upgrade your biological engine.
First, optimize your workspace into an oasis of absolute calm. Invest in ergonomic chairs, pure air systems, and proper focus lighting. Second, aggressively upgrade your diet. Hire a private chef or a nutritionist to eliminate those brutal midday crashes entirely. Finally, perfect your recovery. Invest heavily in medical-grade mattresses and blackout tech to ensure deep, restorative sleep. Great leaders master rest just as much as they master hard work. Number 5. Expand your cognitive assets. Your technology must be a high-speed extension of your brain. Upgrade to the absolute fastest laptops and AI software immediately. Learn high-income digital skills like video editing or AI automation. You need to invest a massive budget into continuous education and private coaching. Also, upgrade your professional wardrobe. Your appearance is a silent message that conveys absolute authority and a deep appreciation for quality. Take a look at these books because they are absolutely required reading. The Millionaire Fastlane, The E-Myth Revisited, and The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. You must learn directly from those who have already conquered the game. Remember, knowledge is literally the only currency that never depreciates.
We call this next concept the golden circle. Your network dictates the absolute ceiling of your ambition. You must invest in elite communities and actively seek out brilliant mentors. Furthermore, choosing a supportive life partner is hands down one of the greatest financial decisions you will ever make. One profound insight from the right person can save you from years of expensive, catastrophic mistakes.
Now, as your wealth grows, you naturally become a massive target. You have to build a digital fortress. Protecting your assets requires elite cybersecurity and advanced encrypted protocols. Hire the absolute best experts to secure your digital life. You cannot leave your empire vulnerable to a simple, easily avoidable technical oversight. Elite security provides the ultimate peace of mind required for massive innovation.
Number 6. the ultimate ROI.
You must achieve total financial automation. Your money has to work for you 24/7, plain and simple. Automate your financial systems immediately. Use advanced wealth management software for real-time, accurate data. And rely on professional accountants to handle your taxes and business structure. Freeing yourself from daily numbers grants you the absolute mental clarity to spot massive future opportunities.
We often forget that spending on meaningful experiences creates lasting emotional wealth. The thrill of material possessions fades incredibly rapidly. True wealth is found in unforgettable memories. It's not found in depreciating luxury objects just gathering dust in a garage somewhere.
Use your wealth to build a life of efficiency and calm. True success is mastering the details of your day. This is the profound truth of what your money is actually for. It isn't for showing off. It is for absolute, quiet control over your existence.
Make the decision today to stop acting rich, upgrade your reality, and take absolute command of your future.